Hi, I'm Chandrakant Govind Bide. I am the typewriter artist. Since 1967, I am doing this artwork. Till today, I have done about more than 150 pictures on the manual typewriter. You require concentration and dedication. Without that, it is not possible. Because if you make a single mistake, you have to remove the page. It is not like a computer where you can delete and again you can type.